These could be the best donuts in the world. Pure Nutella, unbelievable.
I'm not even joking. Do you know what the price they came out for? Show them the bag, Ben.
This bag of washing.
To $10 on washing when we're travelling. They tried to charge us. Wait for it. Oh my god, that's unreal. Oh.
There you go. There's the Pakistan hospitality. Just sat here filming, eating a few donuts, and he comes over, offers us a free drink. This is Pakistan all over.
Hi, I'm Reanne, and this is my husband Ben. Pakistan! Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers, and this is our Pakistan series.
Today, we've got to do an essential thing. This travelling game isn't just a bit fun and games sort of thing. We've got to do washing. Laundry is first, and then we're going to do some other things. Coffee shop, try some food, you know how we are.
We're going to do a day in our life as a full-time traveller in Pakistan. Just show you what a normal day looks like. And I'm not going to lie, it has been 3 weeks since we've done our washing. So.
And this is not glamorous.
No. But first of all, we need to get a taxi because everywhere in Pakistan is too far to walk. Enjoy. Okay, if you're new here, just a bit of a backtrack story. We arrived in Karachi from London, England about 3 weeks ago. Spent, I think, about 9 days there exploring. Go back and watch our videos. We then got the most luxury train in Pakistan all the way from Karachi to Lahore, where we did some filming there, saw some mosques, tried some food, went to some markets, you know us. And then we got the most luxurious coach all the way here to Islamabad, which is where we currently are staying. We had quite a storm last night. It rained, it thundered and everything. It seems like it's carrying on today, as you can hear the wind. It's quite overcast as well, which makes it quite nice because it's not too hot, which I quite enjoy. But it is going to be, I think, a bit of a miserable day. 856. It's us, Ben. Hello.
How are you? I'm good.
I've got to say that is probably one of the nicest things I've ever seen in my life. We were driving on a bend and this guy was distraught, bending over. He had a shovel next to him, so he obviously hadn't got any work today. Our taxi driver pulled over and gave him 500 rupees. It nearly made me cry.
Actually the nicest driver ever as well.
Yeah, he was so nice. He was singing and chatting to us. He was so nice. We found out that most Pakistani drivers have actually got 2 jobs. That's normally just their extra income. Made my day, that did. It shows you how nice Pakistani people are.
It's tough for Pakistani people, obviously with the economy, but they're always giving back. They're good, very good people.
Yeah, they always look after their brothers and sisters.
Yeah, and he called us brothers and sisters. We're all one big family. I love it.
And hello, if you subscribed. It was nice to meet you.
Hello.
Okay, we're trying to find the launderette. Can't really find it. And obviously Ben's the mat man. Thank you. Just ask the local. Then you find it. Meant to be next to Subway. It was well good around it. There's loads of food court. We've got One Potato, KFC, Coffee with Jagira, where we're going to go after we drop our laundry off. It's good little area. I think we're going to hang around here all day.
Bag. Villa, office. Come and match, okay?
What is it?
Barber shop, okay?
Barber!
Good cutting.
You do the haircut.
Hour.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Good cutting, good massage, good body massage, okay? Haircut.
Maybe I'll get one.
Oh, we were around the right side. We would have never found this without anyone's help. Perfecto. Thank you.
Hello, yeah. This one. This one too, yeah? This one.
Suit check kar lo na kinne ne? Good name, sir?
Name.
Ben.
Ben. Ben. B-E-N.
Okay.
Yeah, I have work to do.
500.
Maybe in a bit. Maybe in a bit. We'll just go in there.
Need you to do some work. Thank you.
I'm not even joking. Do you know what the price they came out for? Show in the bag, Ben.
This bag of washing.
So on average, I'd say we probably spend $6 to $10 on washing when we're travelling. They try to charge us, wait for it, $50. $50.
The thing is though, I would have just bought, I binned all the clothes and just bought it all new.
I'm really annoyed.
That was crazy, bro.
So we'll just have to wash it in our sink. Oh, that's good. I've gone for a green tea. I love the green tea here in Coffee Bulgaria. So my green tea was $250 and then black coffee, as usual, is $3.90 and they've got really good work services. We've recorded this a few times in our other videos. Obviously we're doing a day in the life. We're going to spend a few hours here and then we're going to go and try some donuts. But let's get a bit of editing done and then we'll go.
Let me have 1 minute of your time. We'd like to thank today's sponsor, Oversea VPN. With Oversea VPN, you can simultaneously log into between 2 and 10 devices. Oversea VPN offers you maximum compatibility, be it Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android and Linux, as well as popular browsers like Firefox or Chrome. Oversea VPN is available on all popular platforms. All plans are locked Disney+, Hulu and BBC iPlayer, and 7 major Netflix regions.
As we travel full-time and use public Wi-Fi, for example, coffee shops, airports, accommodations, that's why it's perfect for us. Oversea is affordable and keeps us safe while we're on the road. Oversea VPN also has the lowest price on the market. Right now you can get a 5-year plan just for $60. That works out just $1 a month. Check out Oversea VPN, links in the description down below. Now back to the video. This is a really good food spot. This is zone 8 and it's got like loads of street food here. So we might have to come back here and try loads of street food.
This is incredible. It's like, as I said before, sun goes down, just going down now, and everywhere comes alive. There's so much street food, man.
And I love it, like the tables are like in the parking lots, on the streets, but it's not what we plan to do today, so another day we'll have to come back down here. But look at all these places, loads. And it's where the coffee shops are, there's banks, there's loads here to do. But we're going there. Crusty's Donuts. They're meant to be the best donuts, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna get at least 6, I think. The best thing about filming is I'll get to eat donuts. We are at Crusty's Donuts. It looks proper unique and different. It's like got a pink style, yellow light, really small and basic and modern. There's loads and loads of different flavours, so I had to buy 6. Look at them. They look amazing. So we're going to try all 6. I'm going to try 3 and I'll let Ben try 3, but he'll probably tell you there's like fish in it or something weird. I'm going to go for the lotus one. Oh my god, so look at it. We've got crumbled biscuit on top and then it's like a, not a ring donut, a full-on donut. But let's go for a bite.
Hope this got lotus filling.
It has. It must have like a lotus spread on top because you can taste it. But really fluffy, but I just missed the sauce. But there's the juicy biscoffy sauce. But look. Oh my god, that's unreal. That's literally like Biscoff spread. That is good. And there's a lot in there, it's not stingy. I think this was the chocolate fudge one. It's got like cocoa powder and sugar. I'm gonna assume it's got like fudge in the middle. I'm gonna rip this one because I want the filling. Oh, that is good. See if it's fudgy. It is. It's like a chocolatey fudgy sauce, and that is like a cocoa powder on top, so it like balances it out, gives you like the fudge flavour. Oh, it smells good, but look how fluffy they are. It must be like really fresh, daily made. All right, I've only got one more left to choose. Oh no. I've got Nutella, the lemon one, salted caramel, peanut butter. I'm gonna go for the Nutella. No, I'm just gonna go for the salted caramel. Next, we've got a ring donut, salted caramel glaze on it. The last one I had, I can't remember what the donut, oh, OD donuts, and it was my favourite out there, the mini ones. So let's see if this one lives up to it. Fluffy. That one's even more fluffy, yeah. But it's like a really rich salted caramel on top. Really good. I like a basic donuts every now and then, like the plain glazed ones and that. Oh, I'm gutted now. Now I have to give the other 3 to Ben.
Time for my go. I'm going to dive straight in. I'm not really a donut person, so forgive me, but I'll be honest with my review. This is a peanut butter. Like Reanne said, real like squidgy, soft, fresh. Oh, that's incredible. So it's really like fresh, and then like that peanut butter flavour is really strong. And it's actually like, if you look, quite well filled. So it's not just a peanut butter, it's actually a chocolate, like a chocolatey peanut butter with that top as well. I assume like this twirly lines, that's like peanut butter, but altogether it's just unreal. Like this one, the lemon caramel, look at that, looks really rich. So the top's just like a glaze. It's not really like caramel-y or lemony. It's almost just like a sweet glaze. So I'm gonna rip it to get closer.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. So that is the lemon inside there, look. Oh mate. It's not like a sweet or a bitter lemon. It's almost like the caramel sort of overtakes the lemon. That's really good. Like really good. Last but not least, Nutella, everyone's favourite. My favourite as well, everyone's rip it, she says, rip it.
Oh.
Excuse me. So what would you like to take coffee? Cappuccino, latte, americano?
Okay.
We're
It's
fine.
for your coffee. It's complimentary for you.
Complimentary?
Yeah, sure.
Go on, I'll have an Americano.
Americano?
Americano, yeah.
2 Americanos. 5 will be.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you. Americano.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
What a guy. So he just offers us a free drink. Where did he come from? Next door? Don't even know where he come from. Anyway, Nutella. Let's dig in.
I swear it's the most filled one we've had as well.
Pure Nutella. These could be the best donuts in the world. Pure Nutella. Unbelievable. There you go. There's the Pakistan hospitality. Just sat here filming, eating a few donuts, and he comes over, offers us a free drink. This is Pakistan all over. Love it to death.
And look at the end results. Look at the state of that.
Yeah.
We're going for dinner after this, but I wanted to try the donuts first. But I've tried a lot of donuts. If you've been following us a while, you'll know I'm a sweet tooth person, Ben's a savoury. And I'm going to have to say they're probably the best donuts I've ever had. For how much filling you get, and the taste, and the freshness and fluffiness.
They're incredible, isn't it?
Amazing. Hi.
Hello. Thank
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is crazy. They just brought us 3 drinks out. So I've got like a tea, and it's like spiced tea. Ben's got Americano.
Yeah, I think they've obviously heard of our celebrity status.
They've probably just heard of the Donut Queen. Well, that was a brilliant finish to our day, finishing it off with donuts. But unfortunately, the food we're going to have is going to be on the next video. So you're going to have to watch the next video, because this is a viral burger we're going to be trying. So make sure you stay tuned and
Subscribe.
just over we arrived in Crusty just over 3 weeks ago. I feel like it would be a bit windy.
Behind the tree.
Okay, just in case you're new here, just a quick back chat. If you're new here, just a quick back track of from London, England. We then got the most luxurious. Well, that was. We're gonna go for dinner in a minute, but we wanted to try the burgers first. But